Hi. So lately we had several catalytic converter issues. And this particular car, this is part of the catalytic converter, or was, and it just melted into a blob. What happened with this car was that there was an underlying issue before with the check engine light being on. But because it didn't affect the way the car ran, although whenever the check engine light comes on, it affects the emissions. The owner just ignored the check engine light and just kept driving. And what happens is that the engine runs inefficiently and burns too much gas. Too much gas gets in the catalytic converter, overheats the catalytic converter, and melts the inside of the catalytic converter into this. So in this particular car, these pieces went down the exhaust, plugged up the exhaust, and then the car ran really bad. So if I'll show you down in here how it's all melted. It should be a honeycomb shaped kind of, I don't know if you can see, towards the edge.
Yep.
And that's how it's supposed to look, a good catalytic converter. But this one you can see that it's all melted away, it's all gone in the middle. So if the check engine light comes on, you should probably figure out what it is and get that fixed, because in the long run it could damage the catalytic converter and cost you a lot more money.